We delve into the kitchen, the heart of our health regimen. We begin with a nutritious breakfast. Picture this, a bowl of oatmeal, topped with a variety of fresh fruits and a drizzle of honey. Making this is as simple as boiling oats in milk, chopping up some fruits, and adding a dash of honey for sweetness. Not only is it delicious, but it's packed with fiber and vitamins to kickstart your day. Transitioning from our previous scene, let's cater to our vegetarian friends and start the day with a hearty vegetarian breakfast. Picture a bowl of crunchy granola drenched in smooth almond milk, topped with a colorful array of fresh fruits and a sprinkle of nuts. Preparing this is as easy as pouring granola into a bowl, adding almond milk, chopping up your favorite fruits, and sprinkling a handful of nuts on top. This breakfast alternative is not only delicious and visually appealing, but it's also packed with fiber and vitamins to give you a strong and healthy start to your day. Whether you're vegetarian or just looking to mix things up, this breakfast is a delightful way to kickstart your morning. For dinner, we're preparing a simple yet delightful grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed veggies. It's a matter of grilling the salmon, cooking the quinoa, and steaming your favorite vegetables. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, lean protein, and fiber, this meal ensures a healthful end to the day. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the day's workout. A 45-minute cardio session is on the menu. Start with a brisk 15-minute run. Remember to maintain a steady pace and breathe evenly. Next, switch to a 15-minute bike ride. Keep the intensity moderate to high for maximum benefits. Lastly, a 15-minute swim wraps up the cardio session. Keep strokes smooth and consistent, focusing on using your whole body. A balanced diet is crucial, and so is understanding why. Whole grains are rich in fiber and help digestion. Lean proteins like chicken and salmon are essential for muscle recovery and growth. Vegetables are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, vital for overall health. The day in the life of a healthy individual is a blend of nutritious meals and effective workouts. Motivation is key, and overcoming challenges is part of the journey. It's all about balance and consistency. Lastly, meal prepping. It's about efficiency and convenience. Preparing breakfast, lunch, and dinner ahead of time saves a lot of stress and ensures you always have a healthy meal ready. To recap, today's workshop covered a balanced meal plan, a cardio workout routine, the importance of nutrition, a glimpse into a healthy lifestyle, and the convenience of meal prepping. Remember, health is a journey, not a destination. So, take it one step at a time and enjoy the ride. Until next time, stay healthy and keep moving.